So today we're going to be talking about clipping. So in ArcGIS, it is necessary, and in every walk of life, it's necessary for you to have an extent to what you're working on. If my interest, for example, is Takum local government of Taraba State, I will not be able I won't just pick the entire data of Taraba State to work on. Rather, I'll focus my energy to getting data limited to Taraba State. Now, in an instance whereby you already have the entire database of the state, but this time around you just wanted an extent to it in a particular geographic location. That is what this video is all about. So today we're going to be learning how to clip, but this clipping is clipping a vector. So we have that of raster, but this is vector. Vector means some those files you've been able to convert from analog to digital. So this can be manipulated. All right, so this is what we're going to be doing. So we're going to clip this road layer to this Takum local government area of Taraba State. So you see that the data is for the entire state. These are majorly major roads in the state. All right, so there are no minor roads on this data. So to do that, you go to geoprocessing tools, which is what we've been discussing on, and then on geoprocessing tool you go to clip. So on this clip now, we are going to put road, which is what we are interested in, and then the clip future, which is the extent. How far do you want it to go? We need it to be within Takum local government. So output future class, you either leave it to default. If you leave it at default, it's going to go to your document ArcGIS default geodatabase, and it's going to be road underscore clip. But if you click on this folder here, you have the chance to change location. So we have our GIS folder and we have Taraba here. So we're going to add this into our GIS folder. So I'm going to say RD, which is road Takum, just for the purpose of the video, and then I'm going to click on. You don't need to do any XY tolerance because it's optional. All right, so you click on OK. So if you can see here, your clipping is done. So let's remove the road, and then you will see that all the extent of it is just within Takum local government. So this is how to clip a shapefile, a future class, anything within the vector layers. You can clip them like this using the geoprocessing tools. I will see you in the next video where we'll be looking at the multi or batch clipping.